Alright, now applying the plastic putty last night, I came out this morning. It's hardened, so I'm gonna start sanding it. You guys can see it covered the back and the front. It was a big giant hole that I had in there, so I'm gonna sand it a little bit down. Of course, so you guys can see the other ones I've done. Let's sand it down now and then paint it. Just sand it down enough where I could paint it. You guys can see that. We'll do a couple coatings too. All right, so if you guys can see, I just sand it, and we're gonna continue doing some coating. So this is an option, a good option for those that use Bondo. For larger prints, I would suggest Bondo, but this one's actually for smaller ones, so it's not bad. It covered it up. That was a large hole. I'm gonna keep this as is, but it's working well. We're gonna go ahead and start covering it and then redoing it again. Well, it came out good. I didn't have too much time to sand it, but really good 3D figure that I printed, and I cover all the holes. You can't see his shoes that much.